Hey guys, and welcome to this Autobeam H7 LED dip beam light upgrade. At the end of this video there's going to be a giveaway, so please stay tuned for that. Other than that, I'm going to be installing these on my Mark 7.5 Fiesta C-Tech S. These will fit a range of vehicles, so do please check before buying. Moving on to the install, first thing I need to do is take out 2 bolts and a screw. The 2 bolts can be removed with either a Torx head or a flathead screwdriver, and the small screw can be removed with a Phillips screwdriver. Once that's done, the lights will pull out, they'll unclip, and then you'll also need to remove the wires from the back. Just push in the tab and then you'll be able to pull that out. Now that we've done that on one side, we're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. Super easy to do, so you guys shouldn't really have too much of a problem. Right, so the dipped beam light or bulb is located at the back of the light. Just turn the light around and then you'll see a rubber cap. Just pull that off and that will reveal the bulb and connector. So first of all, you'll need to remove the connector. Just give that a bit of a pull and a wiggle. Should come free. And there we go. For the bulb, I just pulled back one of the metal tabs that were holding it in place, gave the bulb a pull, and then it came out. Then we're going to take our LED upgrade. We're going to put the flat bit lining up with the flat bit in the light. Going to push that into position. Make sure it clicks. When it has clicked into position, you want to wire up the connectors. Push the wires down the side, hide the wires, and then put one of your new rubber caps over the back of it to keep it all watertight. So now that I've done that, I've just plugged the light in just to make sure that it's plugged in and working correctly, which it was. Now I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side, removing the rubber cap to reveal the bulb and the connector, taking off the connector, taking out the bulb and putting the replacement in. Now if you guys don't win the competition and you still want to grab yourself a set of these lights, you can use discount code ASH12 on Autobeam's website for 12% off orders over £15. It works on their range of products and I would recommend definitely buying something from there because they do some fantastic products. So these are the 6500K ones. I just thought I'd mention that, and if you are interested in seeing more of their light upgrades, then you can check out some videos on my channel. Links for Autobeam, their Facebook page for the competition, and some other upgrade videos will be in the description below, so definitely go check them out guys, because it is definitely worth it. The only thing after this video that I might have to do is adjust the lights and the beam direction. So now that that light's done, again, I'm just going to turn the lights on, make sure they're all plugged in correctly and working. Here we have some comparisons. So this is the new LED upgrade. As you can see, they're a lot whiter compared to the other ones, which you'll see in a minute. But they do look really good. They look super bright. This is the before with the older bulbs. They look a lot yellower, a lot dimmer. When you have the full beam on, full beams really take over, whereas with the new dip beams, not so much. You can see here's a side-by-side comparison. Definitely yellower before and a lot whiter and brighter now. Right, now for the competition. If you guys want to win yourself a set of these lights, you have to follow 4 steps. Number 1, subscribe to my channel. Number 2, like this video. Number 3, go over to Autobeam's Facebook page, the link will be in the description, and give them a like. And then when you've done all that, comment on the video #ASH to let me know that you've done all those steps. That's subscribe to my channel, like the video, like Autobeam on Facebook, and comment #ASH. Right, so good luck with the giveaway. A winner will be chosen next week, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you are subscribing. If you'd like this video, leave it a thumbs up, of course, and see you in the next one.